audio sync. So it's the last day in December 2023. I'm gonna try to put up this bird feeder. I don't know if it'll make any difference. We'll find out. If I don't see any activity in a week or so, I could just put it back in the house. I hear a rooster. That's weird. And it's in town. Let's see what happens. Well, thanks for watching my video. So I did use my iPhone 15 to record that. I did not use the internal mic. I synced audio with the lavalier, but had I used my internal audio, this is what it would sound like. I did nothing fancy with the video, just used the normal internal video. Although I do have an app, I just decided to go normal, video-wise. Audio sync. So it's the last day in December 2023. I'm going to try to put up this bird feeder. I don't know if it'll make any difference. Find out. When I see any activity in a week or so, I can just put it back in the house. So that's what it would sound like if I didn't use some sort of external microphone to improve the audio. Anyway, Happy New Year's, guys, gals, and women and children, and Happy New Year, and hope you enjoyed listening to my channel. Blessings.